Good morning, class. Hope you all are very good. So, today we are going to start our English lesson. Before that, I have added a quotation for you that reading makes a full man, conference a ready man, and writing an exact man. Writing here means to practice the thing. As many times you will practice, you become better. So practice everything to get perfection. Today our topic is direct and indirect speech of imperative sentences. Hope you people know what is an imperative sentence, what is its structure, and what is direct speech, what is indirect speech, because people have already done these things. Here's is some explanation of direct speech and indirect speech so that you will be able to understand how to change them. The reporting of speech by repeating the actual words of a speaker. For example, I am going, she said. This is direct speech, and you see that the reported speech of direct speech is always in inverted commas. In indirect speech, the act of reporting something that was said uh, but not using exactly the same words. Example is she told that she was going. Here, the person's pronouns of the reported speech are changed, inverted commas are omitted, and conjunction that is added. So there is a big difference between reporting a direct speech or indirect speech. Here is the definition of imperative sentences. An imperative sentence that gives a command or gives a request to do something. So it is an order, a request, it may be instructions. You people see when driving on the roads, instructions are given. Those instructions start always with verb. So we are going to learn the structure with its example. Imperative sentence will always start with verb, and after that object will come. Making a request, these sentences, as I have told you, are used to make a request. Here are the examples of request. Please help me with this. Please pass the salt and pepper. Please reserve a seat for me. Giving a command is an order. Don't leave the door open. Come home before sunset. uh, There are rules to change direct speech into indirect of imperative sentences. While making indirect speech of imperative sentences, it is essential to use requested, advised, commanded, and ordered in place of said or told in the assertive sentences. Uh, the ones which are assertive sentences, you need to change the verb of reporting speech, right, with these words. And first person in the reported speech is changed as the subject of the reporting speech, while the second person of the reported speech is changed as the object of the reporting speech. In terms of third person, it remains unchanged while making indirect speech. Two and not two connectors are placed in place of that. If whether conjunctions means when we are making the when we are going to change the direct into indirect of other sentences, we use uh, conjunctions like whether, that, and if. And so the here in imperative sentences we change them with to and not to. It becomes infinitive in the indirect speech. Practice sentences are there. Pope said to people, help poor in need. Professor said to student, don't make noise. Officer said to customer, pay your bills before fine. The teacher said to the students, respect elders. Peasant said to Neha, have a glass of milk. So here in the first three I have mentioned that these sentences are either request, order, or advice. So you may use in the reporting speech instead of saying said or told, requested, ordered, or advised. So review of the whole lecture is definition. We have done definition, structure of imperative sentences, reporting verb and reported speech, difference between both of them, a rule to change the speech. Uh, a home task is also given here. You will have to do this on your notebook. So stay blessed till then and have a good time.